Data science and machine learning. These are the buzzwords of our era, but have you ever wondered what makes it all work? Is it magic? Well, not exactly, because the secret lies in Python and its incredible libraries. Today, we will explore the most powerful Python libraries for data science and machine learning, using real projects I've worked on to show you exactly how these libraries are used in action. Starting with the foundation, NumPy. I want you to think of NumPy as the bedrock of data science. With this powerful tool, you can create arrays, perform mathematical operations, and manipulate data like a pro. It's fast, efficient, and highly versatile. For example, in my project predicting house prices in Boston, I use NumPy to handle large numerical datasets seamlessly. From storing housing attributes like the number of rooms and area sizes to performing statistical operations, NumPy made it all straightforward. Next, we have NumPy's close cousin, which is Pandas. This is the library you turn to when your data gets messy. Pandas is like a data cleaning superhero. When you've got missing values, columns out of order, Pandas can fix it all. In the Boston house price prediction project, I used Pandas to clean, analyze, and even visualize the data, while ensuring that all data was clean, structured, and ready for analysis. Trust me, this tool is a lifesaver for every data scientist when working with real-world data. Alright, so we've cleaned and structured our data. What's next? We have visualization. And for that, we have Matplotlib and Seaborn. We use Matplotlib for creating charts, from simple bar graphs to pie charts. But if you want beauty and simplicity, Seaborn is your best friend. For example, with a simple sns.heatmap command, I visualized correlations between features like house price and crime rate in that area. This helped me identify the most important predictors of house prices in Boston. And when working on my email classifier project, Matplotlib helped me visualize and compare the percentage of spam and non-spam email messages. So visualization in data science and machine learning is not just about making things look pretty, but it's about finding patterns that guide your decisions. Now let's step into the world of machine learning. Here we have the king of the jungle, which is Scikit-learn. Because it's time to build and implement machine learning algorithms, Scikit-learn is the library you need. From regression to classification, clustering, and beyond, it's the ultimate tool for beginners and experts. For example, in my email classifier project, I used Scikit-learn's naive Bayes classifier algorithm to filter out spam email messages. It's a classic algorithm for text-based classification tasks. And guess what? With just a few lines of code, I trained a model that could identify spam emails with impressive accuracy. Another cool thing I love about Scikit-learn is it makes it easy for me to split my data into training and testing sets using the train test split function, because this step is crucial when evaluating your model's performance. But what if you're dealing with deep learning? That's where TensorFlow and Keras become your two best friends. These libraries are designed to handle complex neural networks and massive data sets. Let me tell you about my project, LeafScan. I used TensorFlow's Inception v3 model for transfer learning to detect diseases in tomato plants. The best part? TensorFlow made it possible to fine-tune this pre-trained model for my specific task, also saving me a lot of time and resources while achieving highly accurate results. Here's another fun example. My project MathKid. It's a web app that helps kids practice math by recognizing their handwritten digits. I trained a deep neural network using TensorFlow on the MNIST dataset of handwritten numbers. So if you're building deep learning projects, don't try to learn all these libraries at once, but rather start with something fun and engaging, because it will keep you motivated while you learn. The key is to learn by doing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.